Do wear required personal protective equipment, PPE. Do protect other workers from flashes. Do have an adequate fire extinguisher readily available. Do provide fire watch if needed. Do remove combustible materials from the vicinity of cutting and welding operations. Do secure all connections, couplings, and fittings on your rig. Do inspect equipment before use. Do contain sparks and slag created by welding or burning operations. Do protect welding leads and burning hoses by covering or suspending. Do store gas cylinders upright with the valve end up. Do separate oxygen and acetylene in storage by 20 feet or a 5-foot, half-hour rated fire wall. Do clear debris from work area after work is completed. Don't cut or weld in an area with oily rags, dust, or other combustible material nearby. Don't weld in an area unless other workers have a welding screen to protect them from the welding arcs. Don't transport bottles with gauges installed. Don't use worn cable. Don't use worn hoses. Don't wear clothes of synthetic fabrics. Don't assist anyone cutting or welding unless you are wearing eye protection. Don't leave your area of work without notifying others of the burn hazard. Don't work in an area that is not grounded. Don't weld or cut hot tanks or pipe without proper precautions. Don't run welding leads and burning hoses through doorways. Don't attempt to transfer compressed gas from one cylinder to another. Don't use valve protection caps to lift cylinders. Please like, share, and subscribe for more safety knowledge.